Welcome back. The District and Sessions Court has dismissed the bail plea of Tarun Tejpal in sexual assault case. The court in its verdict has relied upon prosecution's contention that he may influence the witnesses. Tejpal is behind bars since his arrest on 30th November. Tejpal is most likely to challenge this order before the High Court on Thursday.
Lodged in jail under the charge of sexually assaulting a lady journalist of Tehelka, Tarun Tejpal has to continue his stay in Sada jail for some more time. The Panji District and Sessions Court on Wednesday dismissed his bail plea. The court, while rejecting Tejpal's bail plea, has accepted prosecution's contention that he is a highly influential person and he may influence the witnesses.
The bail application has been rejected, alright? So we have applied for a copy of the order.
Some relatives of Tarun Tejpal had come to the court hoping that Tejpal will be bailed out, but they were disappointed. According to the sources, Tejpal is most likely to challenge dismissal of his bail plea before the High Court on Thursday. Tarun Tejpal is facing the charge of raping a lady journalist of his office during Think Festival organized in a hotel in Goa in November last year. Tejpal was arrested by Goa Crime Branch on November 30th and is presently lodged in Sada jail at Vasco. With video journalist Devendra Gaonkar, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
The accused security guard from Bogmaro has admitted that he raped the 10-year-old minor girl. He was arrested on Tuesday night. The house owner Ramchandra Raikar and security in charge Lakshman Jadhav have been sent to 7-day police custody, while the accused guard is under 6 days police custody. Sources say medical report of the girl infers that she was raped.
The accused in Bogmalo rape case security guard Parthokar was arrested by police and has been sent to 6 days police custody. Partho is charged for raping a 10-year-old girl and was absconding since Monday afternoon. He was arrested at Bamboli on Tuesday night on a hillock near Lusophonia venue while he was trying to dodge the police.
Pratim Kaur म्हणून कार from Tripura. एका काल आम्ही security guard वो थंडर म्हणून हे आसा security तितून लोतो. ताका पोर दोरी आम्ही fielding लावून दवरलेली combing operation चलताले. आणि काल सांगे मागीर तेजे बरें ताका आमी अरेस्ट केला बांबोलीच्या फुडल्यान स्टेडियम बांदला पळय थंयसर अरेस्ट केलो ताका. तेजें नांव पार्थो प्रातिमकार म्हणून नांव फ्रॉम त्रिपुरा. आनी हेचे वांगडा हेचे आदी दोग जाणांक आनीक अरेस्ट केला आमी. ओनर ऑफ द हाऊस तेचें नांव वासुदेव रायकर ओनर ऑफ द हाऊस आनी लक्ष्मण श्यामराव जाधव तो सेक्युरिटीचो तेंचे इन्चार्ज ताका हार्बरिंग करता म्हणून अरेस्ट केला आमी.
Vasco police has also arrested house owner Ramchandra Raikar and security in charge Lakshman Jadhav for allegedly helping the accused to escape from the scene. According to the information, the accused security guard committed crime at around 12:30 in the afternoon. The situation was tensed at Bogmalo when the act came to fore.
Whoever those fellows who had left it, we arrest him. Immediately detain them. Automatic metal. So why create all this tension? No. Moment. I agree. You all don't let law take its course. Okay, law will take its course. Don't worry. You have my assurance, and I'll see that they act. Okay. They will take full action. That's why I came all the way.
Meanwhile, the girl was taken for medical examination, and sources say medical reports infer that rape has been committed. Sources also say that the security guard has also admitted the crime. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Seza Goa Workers Union has threatened not to allow Seza Goa to start its operation again if their workers are laid off. They have threatened a severe agitation. The union held its meeting on Wednesday. The workers have warned the Seza Goa management not to take the workers for granted.
ही मायन कशी केन्ना स्टार्ट जावपाक दिवपाची ना आमच्या बायलां भुरग्यांक हाडून ते मायनीच्या डंबार बसोवंक जाय. आमी प्रत्येकान आतां आमची 8 वरां ड्युटी आसा. फुडें जेन्ना आमचे ली ऑफ जातले तेन्ना 24 वरां बी ड्युटी करची पडटली आमकां. आझाद नगराची मिटींग जाली त्या वेळार ऑपोजिशन लिडर आसलो गोंयचे सीएम आसले एनसीपीचे आसले एमडीचे लोक आसले. तेंच्यांनी सांगलें आमकां हेजे कितें तोडगो काडटा विचार करता म्हणून. पूण अजून पर्यंत कोणीच कसले मुवमेंट करूं ना. आनी भावना म्हाका दिसता हेंचे कडेन हें कांय जावपाचें ना. हो जर लढो जिखतलो जाल्यार आमी सगळे युनायटेड आसपाक जाय.
तेन्ना आमी अश्यो घोशणा दिल्यो की चालू करा गोंयच्यो मायनी चालू करा. तेन्ना आमचेर आयज अशी पाळी येयल्या की बंद करा सेजा गोवाची मायन बंद करा. आणि जोपर्यंत कामगारांना कामात घेना तोपर्यंत सीताफळाची मागणी बंद करा असे आम्ही निवेदन मुख्यमंत्र्याकडे सरकाराकडे दिवपाचे आसा.
पर्यावरणाचो आमकां संपर्क कसो राखपाचो हें आमकांय कळटा. तेंच्यांनी शिकोवपाची गरज ना. आनी हेच्या नंतर केंद्र सरकार राज्य सरकार हेंचो संघर्ष आनी हेचे सगळे खापर कंपनी कामगारांच्या माथ्यार फोडला. कामगारांना खंय तरी नाहक बळी दिला. ही अत्यंत घातक दुर्दैवी निर्णय.
तुमकां सांगलें तेंच्यांनी ले ऑफ काडचें ना तरी आसतना ले ऑफ काडली. सीएमाकूय तेंच्यांनी सांगलें खंय करचें ना. म्हणजे कंपनी कितें करूंक सोदता. आमचे युनियन आसा ते इतके वीक जाला की टेकन फॉर अ ग्रांटेड आमी.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.